Hi, this is my the screen customized to me to present my light of my book. Uh, Now it's loading. I'm going to present. And the book I read is Peter Pan. I'm Camilo Rosales. So, introduction of my book. The book is Peter Pan. Peter Pan is a fictional book about a boy that flies. It's written by James Barrie. Other characters of the books are Wendy Darling, John Darling, and Michael Darling. You can see here is Peter Pan. Uh, Down here is Wendy Darling. This man is J.M. Barrie. Here with the hat is John Darling, and the little boy is Michael. A summary of the book. I'm not going to read all that is here, but it is about a boy called named sorry. It's about a boy named Peter Pan. That he lives in the Neverland. Uh, he can fly with a special powder that Tinkerbell gives him. It's also about Wendy, John, Michael, their siblings. They go to the Neverlands with Peter when one night when their parents are at a party. Um, they they go and Peter has like friends, and they're the Lost Boys. There are six of them, but I'm not going to talk about all of them. And then there is also an antagonist that is Captain Hook, and he's a pirate. And there are other pirates like Smee, and they are trying to stop Peter Pan and the Lost Boys. Um, characters of the book. Peter Pan is the main character. He's a medium-sized boy, very skinny. He's between 12 or 13 years old, but lives in a place where he can never grow old. That is the Neverland. Um, he's in the dreams of the children and lives in the magical world. The other main character is Wendy Darling. She is the oldest of the Darlings that were the siblings, and she's also between 12 and 13 years old. They're not specific with their age. She is very lovely and like very kind and nice. The main antagonist is Captain Hook, that is a captain of the pirates and always tries to kill Peter, and but Peter won't let him, and Peter always tries to kill Captain Hook back. The setting of the book is the Neverland, the place where the boys never grow old, I already told you. There are all boys on the Netherlands, except from the mermaids and the Indians. There are girls there, and the first girl that arrives there is Wendy. And there are places like the Mermaid's Lagoon and the Indian Camp, and also there is like you can see here the crocodile track in a lot of in a place like that. But Peter and the Lost Boys and Wendy and John and Michael, they live on trees that take them like arm feed to them and take them to a place where a cave where they live. The setting is significant to the story because it's where the characters are most of the time. You can see here down is a map of the Netherlands. How do I connect to the story? So I connect to the story like text to person because I think like because I dream sometimes that I can fly, or when I was little I thought and like I like that, and Peter Pan like can fly, so like I relate to Peter Pan flying. Also Peter and Wendy are between 12 and 13, and I am 13, so although they act more childish, like I still connect to them because we have the same age. And the message that the book is trying to I think the book is trying to tell us is that every man every person has to grow up, but they always try to stay as a child. And I think that our representation of this is Hook. I don't know if you've seen it, Hook with Robin Williams, that is Robin Williams is a man that is in the Netherlands and like is acts like a boy and all like that. Also, a thing that I need to clear is that all Peter Pan is make believe, so they think something and then like think something and that happens. And that would be it. And I hope you like my presentation. And thank you.